Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are exploring the ultimate courtyard sanctuary, a heavily layered, maximalist, cottage-style seating area. This isn't a sprawling patio meant for hosting huge parties. It is a quiet, highly decorated retreat designed for morning coffee or an evening book. By blending dense container gardening with vintage European-inspired decor, you can transform a simple stucco wall into a breathtaking outdoor room. Let's break down the exact design elements needed to engineer this cozy aesthetic. The success of an intimate courtyard relies entirely on having a strong central focal point. Without one, the maximalist decor will just look cluttered and chaotic. At the very center of the composition, we anchor the space with a simple wooden garden bench. But a bench alone is not enough. It must be framed. By nestling the seating beneath a lush, green, vine-covered, arched arbor, we create an immediate, natural canopy that makes the space feel incredibly safe and enclosed. To bring interior comfort outside, the bench is styled with brightly colored throw pillows, solid bright reds, and vibrant vertical stripes, which pop beautifully against the smooth, light beige stucco wall of the home. Finally, mounting a decorative rust-colored metal wall art piece directly above the bench, framed perfectly by the leafy arch, acts as the crown jewel of the focal point. Once the destination is established, you have to design the journey. The ground plane is just as important as the vertical structures when creating a layered cottage garden. Leading directly to the bench is a neat, straight pathway made of multicolored rectangular slate or stone pavers. The mix of gray, tan, and rust tones in the stone echoes the rustic warmth of the courtyard, but the magic lies in the borders. Flanking the pathway, the ground is covered in dark, reddish-brown decorative mulch, which provides a rich, high-contrast base. We then strategically plant bright, neon green, creeping ground cover, like creeping jenny or Irish moss, to soften the hard edges of the pavers and wrap around the bases of the planters. It makes the entire hardscape feel ancient, established, and fully integrated with nature. With the foundation laid, we can start layering in the character. A cottage-style garden thrives on repurposed, whimsical elements that tell a story. On the left side of the space, we introduce a rustic, vintage-style metal bicycle that has been brilliantly repurposed as a multi-tiered plant stand, holding various small potted greens and herbs. It adds immediate personality. To keep the space from feeling too wild, we ground this vintage piece with a row of perfectly manicured small spherical boxwoods in front. On the far left, a tall, narrow evergreen tree, like an Italian cypress, in a simple brown terracotta pot provides necessary verticality. And for that final touch of European flair, a small, charming blue and white sign, reading Café de France, is mounted directly to the beige stucco wall. To balance the whimsy of the bicycle on the left, the right side of the courtyard requires a heavier, more classical architectural element. This provides a necessary visual counterweight. We dominate this side with a classic ornate stone pedestal planter, featuring a beautifully sculpted cherub or putty figure holding up the basin. Inside the basin, a small pot of delicate white flowers spills over the edge. Behind this classical statue, we layer the softscaping for depth. A large, dense, rounded green shrub sits in the mid-ground, while a striking potted plant with long, spiky, bright green leaves, like a dracaena, adds contrasting architectural foliage. Finally, tucking a potted rose bush with bright red blooms further back pulls the red from the bench pillows across the entire composition. When you step back and look at the completed space, the level of detail is extraordinary. Every square inch has been considered, yet it feels entirely organic and deeply inviting. By combining the heavy architectural backdrop of the beige stucco wall with the delicate romance of the vine-covered arbor, the classical stone cherub, and the whimsical vintage bicycle, you create a space that feels like a hidden courtyard in the European countryside. It is heavily layered and maximalist, but perfectly balanced. It's the ideal sanctuary to let the dog wander safely while you enjoy the incredible spring weather. Thank you for joining me on this cinematic design tour. Hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next exterior masterclass.